Here is a quick video on why you need a rig wallet if you don't have one already. Here is my rig wallet, and you can see I've got loads of rigs there, all in the wallet, ready to go. First of all, they're very convenient. You can zip them up and put them in a bag and carry the rigs anywhere you go. They stick into a sponge and you pin them down with these little pins, and the hooks go onto a bar at the bottom, and that keeps the tips safe from getting blunt in case they touch anything. You can see I've got plenty of rigs here. If it's a very cold day, as you might know, your hands don't work as well when it's cold, so it's much easier to get a pre-made rig out of the wallet, and it just saves time on the bank also. So if you don't have a rig wallet, I would highly recommend one. I always use one when I'm fishing. So that is about it for this video. If you like the video, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more fishing related content. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.